गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम लोग बायोकेमिस्ट्री में पढ़ेंगे प्रोटीन्स। सबसे पहले हम लोग जानेंगे प्रोटीन्स है क्या। द मॉलिक्यूल्स विच yield अमाइनो एसिड अपॉन हाइड्रोलाइसिस आर कॉल्ड प्रोटीन्स। Protein are natural polymer of amino acid. The number of amino acid in a protein molecule may range from 2 to several thousands. Proteins are the basic for the major structural component of animal and human tissue. They act as biological catalyst, form structural part of organism, participate in different cell reactions, act as molecule of immunity, and also provide fuel. Classification of proteins. First, simple protein, those which give one amino acid only upon hydrolysis. Second, conjugate proteins, those which give an amino acid and a non-protein group upon hydrolysis. Derived proteins, those which are derived from simple and conjugate proteins. Simple proteins examples कुछ simple proteins. Globular proteins is insoluble in water and dilute salt solution. Precipitate by saturation with ammonium sulfate solution. Conjugated by heat found in plant and animal tissue. Simple proteins के कुछ example. Simple proteins, globulins. Globular proteins is strangely soluble in water and neutral solutions. Precipitated by dilute ammonium sulfate, conjugated by heat, distributed in both plant and animal tissue. Simple proteins, glutenins, wheat, rice. Simple proteins, glutenines, insoluble in water and dilute salt solution, soluble in dilute acids found in grain and cereals. Simple proteins, histones, thymus gland, pancreas and nucleoproteins, soluble in water, salt solution and dilute acid, insoluble in ammonium hydroxide, yield large amount of lysine and arginine combined with nucleic acid within cells. Simple proteins, scleroproteins, connecting tissue and hard tissue. Fibrous protein is insoluble in all solvents, resistant to degradation. Conjugation of protein, nucleoproteins. Conjugated proteins, nucleoproteins, it contains nucleic acid, nitrogen and phosphorus. It is present in chromosomes and in all living forms as a combination of protein with either DNA and RNA. Conjugated proteins, mucoproteins, solva much and egg white proteins combined with amino sugar, sugar acid and sulfates. Conjugated proteins, glycoproteins, bones, tendons and cartilage containing more than 4% hexosamine, mucoproteins if less than 4% then glycoproteins. Conjugated proteins, phosphoproteins, milk and egg yolk, phospholic like linkage. Derived proteins, derived proteins, protease, intermediate product of proteins digestion, soluble in water, non-conjugated by heat, precipitated by saturated ammonium sulfate, result from the partial degradation and digestion of protein by pepsine or tyrosine. Derived proteins, peptones, intermediate product of proteins or in digestion, some properties as protease except that they cannot be salted out, smaller molecule weight than protease. Derived proteins, peptides, intermediate product of a protein digestion, two or more amino acid joined by a peptide linkage. Hydrolyzed to individual amino acid structure of proteins depend upon the Special arrangement of polypeptide chains. Three arrangements are possible. Four structures: primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. The primary structure of proteins, the sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide chains, is called a primary structure. Amino acids are linked with one another through peptide bonds. The primary structure of proteins. The secondary structure of proteins, peptide chains are equine spiral shape or may be presented in a zigzag manner. This coil of peptide chains is called the secondary structure of proteins. It is due to hydrogen bonding. The secondary structure of proteins. The tertiary structure of proteins, twisting or folding of polypeptide chains represent tertiary structure of proteins. The quaternary structure of proteins, quaternary means four. It is the arrangement of multiple folded proteins over coiling protein molecule in a multi-subunit complex. A variety of bonding interactions including hydrogen bonding, salt bridge and disulfide bond holds the various chain of a particular. The quaternary structure of protein. Properties of proteins found in all living organisms involved in processes such as digestion of food, cell structure, catalysis, movement, energy, manipulation, etc. Complex molecule. Polymers of amino acids, long chain of amino acids are called polypeptides. Importance of proteins. Proteins play an important role in formation of proteins. Importance of proteins. Nucleoproteins are complex proteins and act as the carrier of hereditary materials from one generation to another. Enzyme are the biological catalyst and they are also proteins. Hemoglobin is a proteins. It is act oxygen carrier. Turning of heights is actually participation of proteins by tannic acid. Galactic obtained by heating bones, skin and tendons in water. It is used by bakery. Casein is another protein used to manufacture of bottoms and buckles. Protein obtained from soya beans are used for manufacturers of plastics. Thank you, everyone.